this is where it differs when you use an API, because actually, even though if I go into my YouTube dashboard here, even though I've got auto start disabled, because we're using the API, as soon as I toggle this on in Restream, it will start the broadcast. So let's do that now. Going to make sure for one last time that it's set to private, and then toggle that on. And we'll wait for it to say sending data. Great. We'll go over here. YouTube's been funny. So let's see. Yeah, excellent connection. Toggle that on. It does this thing. And just we'll wait for it to say sending data. Great. We'll go over here. Everything will YouTube's been.
There we go. How's that? Hey, everybody. Upgrade embed URL for your website. Oh, okay. Discord, okay. Guess that changes the chat settings. 720, 29, or bit rate. Okay. So this is how you set up a Zoom through Restream. So let me go back to my Zoom. Got it. So our Zoom's being streamed through Restream. So there's a bit of a delay for you guys that you're going to be seeing. Okay. And I think I need to go in here, mute that so that I'm not hearing the return feed and I just hear what I'm saying here on Zoom. Because then if you open up Zoom and you get that, oh, I just heard the magic bell. Problem. Okay. So this is actually being live streamed on YouTube. So I'm waiting for the guest to show up. And we will go into my separate chat room, not chat room, Zoom room. So I got a separate Zoom room. So this is actually going out live via Restream, and then I turned on the, YouTube. I don't know if it's streaming on YouTube. I'm going to check on my phone to see if it actually is. So if it is, you'll be able to see it on YouTube if I'm actually streaming live over there via Restream. So I am streaming live over there. So this is streaming and is actually going from Zoom through Restream over to my YouTube page. So that anybody's watching, they're watching on YouTube, but I can't tell. They don't see the chat services popping up. So, but it will, I guess it will show you. Can you put the chat overlay on? So if I turn on the chat overlay, and it will show like this, let's launch. And then it opens up in here. There you go. And then opens up the chat in there. And we can choose our chat settings. So, boom. We're doing it. It's working. We're live right now. So we've taken our Zoom. So if we wanted to do a Zoom and then feed it through a custom RTMP and then feed it over through Restream. That way you can, but I got to see for the Restream now. That's the, see, it's not using the dashboard, is it? No. So let me see though. So that went out to YouTube. And above anything else, I'm streaming at 30 FPS, which is a bit high. So I can change the tags. I can do the destination. So if I turn it on, let me see. So that's teams. I can create my teams. That'll put my teams together. Anyway, we're live though. And I think you can still do your share screen through here. So even if you did a share screen, you could bring it in through your Zoom. What apps do they have over here that you can do as well? So you could actually bring in you could bring in a feed from somewhere else. So you could do illustrations, one-on-one applause, poker. You can do affinity. They got quite a few you can use in here through Zoom. I guess these are all individual apps. I don't have any. I don't think. No, I don't use any. Those are discovered apps. I don't need any apps. And then I can always just use what I already have here and then play some of my sounds. So like
Joseph Mowry.
See if you guys heard that.
Hey guys, what's going on?
I still love this thing. I still got to set up all my sounds to coordinate with what I have. So that's how you know when you come in on Discord.
Run.
All right, we are live. We're in person. We're holding on. So we've been streaming now live for 10 minutes on. So I can see the messages here on YouTube. And then if I go to my chat overlay over here, I believe I can see my messages. So the chat is ready to display messages. Here it is. You can embed that when you do like through a website or when you go live like on OBS. I've done it before. It's pretty fun. So what do we have going on here? Zoom's going on here. We're live in Zoom. Let's start the show off here. Oh. Welcome to the show, everybody. Mr. Darren Delaney. What's up, man? How's it going? Welcome to the show. So we're going to be doing, I don't know. What are we doing? Are we doing anything? I don't know if we're doing anything, but that's okay. We can try. Ding. Ba-dum-pa. So this is what drum roll. Okay.
Can you hear me?
We can hear you. We are.
Like, I am so sorry.
Hold on just 1 second, okay? Hold on. Let me do this real quick before we do that.
I am multitasking.
And we will stop this here. And okay. Okay. We're good. All right. Let's get this